Let's go! We are at 10 Drum Cultural Village. I bought the Starlight ticket. Welcome to the Magic Factory. Look at the flying books.
Pipi, are you a magic dog? Haha, yes you are!
Okay, magic dog, let's go to the giant slide. I am so scared.
Pipi, you are a hero!
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody! Oh, I am so dizzy. Oh, Nana, this is very, very high.
Uncle Joe? Why are you holding the railing so tight?
Don't worry, Joe is afraid of heights. He has acrophobia.
Take my hand. I am brave.
I am staying right here. That is the edge.
Are you ready? I will push you on the swing.
Wow! This is amazing! I am not afraid!
Look up, Nana. It is a giant dragon.
I love this place. Look at all these bones. It feels like real magic.
Pipi, don't eat that! It is not a real bone! Oh, I am so tired. Pipi is sleeping.
What a day! I need a soft bed.
Our hotel, Just Sleep, is right there. Tomorrow, we will take the high-speed rail to Taipei 101.
Taipei 101? Uncle Joe, is it very high?